Wow, I got like so many different answers for this. Oh shoot. I'm gonna give you a hint. Oh, we're supposed to do 13 and 14. These two questions, guys. Okay. When you write the answer, can you put 13, what the choice you pick, and 14, what the choice you pick? Somebody just gave me one answer. I don't know which one is which. Okay. Let's do that again. So 13, what do you choose? 14, what do you choose? Oh shoot. Somebody chose B and C. Mm. Okay, C, B, D. Okay. Ooh, Ethan. This dude chose B for number 14. Okay. I'm gonna have Ethan review his face. Hey Ethan, can you review your face, please? I want to see some faces. Ethan, I'm on PC. Sit that. Stop lying. Oh, Josephine, can you show your face, please? Josephine. Ryan. Ryan chose DD. This is not brass size. My God. DD. You shop at Victoria's Secret? Ryan, wrong. Okay. Hmm. Anyways, let's go over this, guys. So 13. There's two choices I want you to eliminate immediately. I told you when it's non-essential, you need two commas, right? So when it's non-essential, you need two commas. When it's essential, you have no commas, okay? No commas. When essential, you don't have any punctuations. So you either have two commas or you have no commas. That means B and C are wrong because you have a one comma. This doesn't make any sense, right? Okay. Now, apostrophe S means possessive, right? We cannot put a comma right after this because uh, this 10-foot thing belongs to this guy. So you need this guy's name here. Otherwise, who's this painting belong to, right? So the answer is D for number 13. Okay. So number 14. I think everyone will get it on right. But Ryan, what the heck you chose D for this? I said, what the heck? Uh, was one of its tiniest. What is the tiniest? This thing right here, the Thorn miniature room. This is the tiniest. So right, this describe what's its time, one of its tiniest. This thing right here describe this. So that's why C is correct. So the answer is D and C. You guys understand? Yeah. Okay. 27 is kind of easy. I'm gonna move on with life. Okay. This one right here. I need you guys to try number 33 for me. Okay. 33. Just private message to me. I'll keep your answer confidentially. Yes. So don't worry. Nobody knows what you choose. Everything is confidential.
Where's 27 like the question, not the in the passage, not the
Who cares? I said don't do 27. Do 33.
oh 30.
Yeah, 27 is too easy. That's why I skip it. It's too easy. Yeah. Oops. Ooh, shoot. Too many people chose D. What's going on, guys? Think about it again, okay? Think about it. Oops. change to B. Wait a minute. Oh, wow, Ethan. This dude chose C. Ethan. I need to find out who Ethan is. Always got it wrong. I'm sure I'm supposed to keep it confidential. You ain't had to call him out like that. That's wrong grammar, right, Jacqueline? That you don't have to call him out like that. Okay, let's go over this. Let's talk about this, guys. This phrase right here, or remove. Is that non-essential or essential? Guys?
Essential?
Okay, let's read this. They suggest that the presence of others provide a good model of how carbon can be sequestered or removed. This word right here, explain to some of you who are non-English speaker, what does sequester mean, right? I don't even know what it means. So they actually try to explain to you this. The word sequester mean removed, right? Yeah. So is it essential or non-essential? Can you cross it out from the sentence? Yes or no? Let's read this without the word. How carbon can be sequestered from the atmosphere through the management of animal populations. Well, when you cross it out, it still keep the meaning, right? So it doesn't change anything. So that means this phrase right here, all removed, is non-essential. You guys agree? Yes? So you don't need it there. You just the writer just want to make sure that everybody is on the same page. He doesn't have to put it there. Just being nice and just make sure that reader understand what this word means. So it's non-essential. What do we use when we have a non-essential phrase? We use two commas, right? So we put two commas between or removed. Does it make sense? So the answer is D. You get it? So a lot of people chose D. I told them to go back and think about it. They changed the answer to B. So always stand your ground, guys. Okay. Always stand your ground. Yes. Okay. Let's move on with life. I really like this question right here, number 35. Mr. Van is a troll. What the heck? I'm gonna review who this Jin is. He said Mr. Van is a troll. I'm not a troll. $35. This is labeled as a hard question. That means what is it called? 85% of the population missed this question actually. 85% missed this question. Wait. Oh shoot, too many people choose many different things. I see A, I see B, I see G. Wait, nobody chose C? Good. Wow, a lot of people chose A or D. Let me see who chose B. I'm gonna review that person. Oh shoot, I need to keep it confidential, yeah? Two people chose, oh shoot, 35. Okay, so Steven chose B. Steven, I need to review this guy.
Hello, that's me. Hi.
That is mean. Anyways, Steven, here's a
Yes,
problem.
sir. Yes, I
said to
am. I'm a
you,
parasite to the universe.
okay, I said to you, you only use a dash when you have a dash. You have two dashes, right? Look at this. Here, you start with a comma. You see that? And you end with a dash. Doesn't make any sense. Am I right? So B is
You
wrong.
have a, yeah, you have a point.
Of course, I have a point. And then C is wrong, yeah? I told you before and after it must be an IC. So let's read this. Planned obsolescence. Now, all of this, practice, I think the answer for this is by which products are designed to have a limited period of usefulness. So all of this, explain to reader, what does this word mean? Am I right, guys? When it's an explanation, so it's non-essential. The writer just want to make sure that everybody understand what this word means, right? So this is non-essential. So basically, A is correct. Non-essential, you put two commas between it, right? D is wrong because, I mean, I said either you have two commas or you have no commas. You start with the commas, you end with the commas. All of this, if you cross them out, you see what I'm talking about. It's totally, it's not needed there. Let me read that for you. Planned obsolescence has been a cornerstone of manufacturing strategy for the past 80 years. And that makes perfect sense. Am I right? Yeah. So this, all of this, the writer just want to make sure we know what it means by this term right here. Okay. And to be honest, when you go to college, a lot of scientists that write term, they don't define it. It's up to you. You have to Google it and see what it means. Okay. So for that reason, the answer is A. You guys understand? Okay. So that's easy. Okay. This one right here. I need you to try number 21 for me. Okay. 21. Whoa. Okay. So what do y'all get, guys? Living independently and demonstrating an intense work ethic. Is this independent clause or dependent clause, guys?
Dependent.
Dependent, right? So if we know it's a dependent clause, we cannot use a semicolon. So that's wrong. Again, it's dependent, so we cannot use a colon, right? And then right here, this is a comma and fanboys. So like I said, a comma and fanboys, we need two ICs, right? Two independent clauses. So C is wrong. The only correct answer is D. You guys get it? Yes or no? That's a process of elimination. How come wait, hang on. Okay, everyone got D. Well, good. Wow, this crowd is really smart. Okay, one more. Okay, this one, number 4. Wait, Thao, why you say no? No what? What do you mean no? Wait, hang on. Thao said it should be B. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna scroll back up to 21. She said it should be B. Okay, Thao. I said so many times, before the colon, we need an independent clause. Independent clause means a sentence that can stand on its own. Okay. So if you put the column right here, before it, it must be an independent clause. Let's read this. Living independent and demonstrating intensive work ethic. Can it stand on its own? I mean, no, right? Because there's no subject, there's no verb here actually. Because a verb with ing is not a verb itself. Okay. So this whole thing is a dependent clause. So you cannot put it before the colon. And that's why the answer is not B. It has to be D. Okay? You get it, Tao? Okay, good. No, she's not challenging me. She's just asking questions, okay? No more challenging anybody. Okay, let's do number 4. Okay, we're gonna do number 4 and 14, and then we'll switch gear to just some math because I think doing writing for too long is boring. Circadian rhythms, which are controlled by biological clocks. Oh, it's really easy. Everybody got it right. Good. Okay, number 4, the answer is C, yeah? Okay, everybody got it right. And then 14, let me see. Despite having worked from railroad companies, Fred Harvey, an English-born entrepreneur. What the heck? What? What's the answer here? I'll give you a hint, we'll get it right. An English-born entrepreneur is a non-essential clause, so you need to separate with 2 commas. So the answer is D. Okay, you don't need he. Okay, you guys get it? Okay, so that's writing. And then, so that's one type of questions. It's punctuations. Punctuation is very easy, guys. Like I said, writing is like math. It's follow formulas. If you know the formulas, you will never get it wrong. So remember the rules, guys, and then practice more. You can find more of these questions on the College Board website. There's 10 tests on there for you to practice. So please apply the rules. And then next time we'll talk about other types of questions like when you add relevant information or not. But this is punctuation. It's the easiest types of questions. Yeah. So don't miss. Wait, I think this question is really fun. Hang on. No, it's boring. Let me find a really hard one for you. Then we move on to math. They're all easy. Okay, can you try 13? That's the last writing question. Okay. 13. Then we can move on to math. Eric Lee. Who the heck is Eric Lee? This is so good.
Could you scoot it up just a bit?
Scoot up a little bit.
Yes, please.
Can you see it now? Well, what happened?
Yes.
You see it now?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay. Oh shoot, a lot of people chose D. Okay, no, C is wrong. Because I mean, why do you put a dash right there? Okay, this doesn't make sense. Okay. You cannot put a dash right there. Buildings are draped with festive red banners, dash, and garlands. No, this doesn't make any sense, right? Okay. Okay, somebody chose B. Wait, somebody said they cannot see the question. What? Okay. B is wrong because if you put this between two commas, a signal to reader that it means this is non-essential. Non-essential. Am I right? If you cross this out, or drape with festive red banners, you need that there because you drape with what? You drape with festive red banners and garlands, right? So the answer is actually D. Okay? You guys get it? Yeah? So B is a no-no right here because you need this phrase right here with festive red banners because without this, how the heck you know which one, what I drape with, okay? So the answer is D. And I think everybody got it right, okay? Only one person who chose B. Okay, let's move on to, what is it called? Math. Okay, I'm gonna show you a really cool math question on the SAT test. It's easy, it's linear algebra. So, okay, let me share my whiteboard again. Okay, so let's move on back to math. Okay, let's try this question, guys. So example. So we got 9x plus 5 equals to a x plus b, okay? 1a is 9, 2, b is 5, and 3, b is not 5 over 9, okay? This equation has no solution. Okay, which one must be true? Which one must be true? A, none. B, one only. And then two, C, move away, 1 and 2. And then D, 1 and 3. Okay, which one must be true? We know that this equation has no solution. Which one must be true? Okay, is there any question about the question? What the heck? What? Where? Wait, hang on. What happened? Okay, good. It say which one must be true. Oh, wow. A lot of people got it wrong. Like a lot. About 90% got it wrong. For some reason, my screen is black. Oh, wow, shoot. Even all the Indians have got it wrong. Oh, that's racist. I'm sorry. Wow, even the Baker kids got it wrong. That's sad. Cancel. What's that mean? Okay, let's go over this, guys. You guys remember y it can equal to mx plus b, guys? Yes? y equals to mx plus b, right? You guys remember that? Yeah? What is m, guys? What's m?
Slope.
Slope. What's b?
Intercept.
Y-intercept. Okay. Now we know that this is a line, right? And this is also a line. I'm gonna multiply that out. So that is ax plus ab. Okay. Yes or no? So on the right side, this is the equation. And on the left side, this is 9x plus 5. Okay. I'm gonna have to go to a new page because I can't see it. So let me write it. 9x plus 5 equals to ax plus ab. Now, these are two lines, right? Let me draw a few lines for you to see, okay? So I'm gonna do purple, okay? So let's say this is one line. When does it have no solutions? It has no solution when the second line is parallel to the first line, right? Parallel, like that. But also, the y-intercept cannot be the same. If they're parallel and the y-intercept are the same, they have infinitely many solutions. Let me give an example of that. 9x plus 5 equals to 9x plus 5. You see that? So they actually the same line, right? So this has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many. We want this equation to have no solution. What does that mean? We want the slope to be the same. You guys agree? So a has to be the same as 9. Okay? Now, so we know that a has to be 9. So let's rewrite this equation. It will be 9x plus 5 equals to 9x plus 9b. Okay? Now imagine we want 9b to be not the same. So this one, they both y-intercept, right? They cannot be the same because if they're the same, then it will have infinite many solutions. We want it to be no solutions. So what does that mean? We want 5 not to be the same as 9b. You guys agree? So what does that mean? B cannot be the same as 5 over 9. Because if B is 5 over 9, this thing will be 5, which is wrong. Does it make sense? So the answer is A must be 9 and B must not be equal to 5 over 9. And that's when it's no solutions. Okay, so let's go back to the original one. So we know that 1 is correct. And we also know that we must include this, guys. We must include this. A lot of people chose B, which is wrong because without this condition, this one will have a lot of solutions. Does it make sense? So the answer is D. Some people got it right. Surprisingly, Stephen got it right. Very good. Okay, you guys get it? Yes? Okay. So because you guys missed this, I'm gonna give you another question to do. Let's try this real fast. Okay. Okay, another example I want to give you is I want you to find A so that the equation has no solution. Okay, so 7x minus 5 equals to 3 times ax minus 6 plus 2x. Okay, I want you to find A so that this one has no solutions. Try that real fast. Wow, very good. Wow, a lot of people are really good at math, so very good. Okay, just to save some time, so we can do this real fast. The first thing is when you have x on both sides, let's move it to the other side. So it's look like this. So 5x minus 5 equals to 3ax minus 18, right? Like I said, you want it to be no solution, so you want the slope to be the same. So we said this and this to be the same. So 5 has to be equal to 3a. So what does that mean? A has to be equal to 5 over 3. A lot of people got it right, so this is good. Josephine got 3. Okay, Josephine, you need to review your face. Yeah, that was your rule. That was a consequence for getting it wrong. She got 3, which is sad. Wait, I'm gonna make this. This is annoying. Well, what happened? Okay, let's try another one. Okay. So, what is it called? What do I do? So example number 3. Again, I want you to find A so that the equation has no solutions. Equation has no solution, right? Okay, so let's see, 6x minus 10 is equals to 2 times a minus 2x minus 5, okay? I want you to find a so that this one has no solutions. You see this kind of question a lot on the test. Wow, a lot of debate just got it wrong. This is sad. This is algebra 1, guys. This is 8th grade math. You cannot get this one wrong. You cannot get this one wrong, guys. Swati, Saravana, you got it wrong. Only one person got it right so far. That guy Swati said, give me a minute. Ryan Wynn, you got it wrong too. What the heck? I have a picture of Ryan. Matthew, you got it wrong too. And Josephine, you definitely need to show your face. It's really wrong. Chimera, she got 7, which is bad. So a lot of people got A equal to 5. Okay. Wow, surprisingly, Andy got it right. Wow. Andy and Nyat and Nathan they all got it right. Very good. The people who got A equal to 5, I need you to do that again, okay? Because there are about 90% of the population who got 5. And that's sad. It's wrong. Josephine say, my algebra grade is currently doo-doo. We know, so you don't have to brag about it, okay? Wow, Nyat say my brain is big. Wow. Can you show your face? Let me see how big your head is. And yet, can you show your face? You got it right, so you don't have to hide your face. Webcam no work. What the heck? You guys live in the 21st century, right? 5 is 5. 5 is best. That's from Austin Harris. 5 is best. 5 is wrong. Okay, let's solve this real fast. Wow, I'm surprised. What I say, for it to have no solutions, I said the slope must be the same. So same slope. But the most important thing is different y-intercept. Okay, let me plug in 5 in here so you guys can see. Okay, so a lot of people say A is 5. Okay, So what does that mean? A is 5, so this thing is 3, right? So it'd be 6x minus 10. Hey, this equation and this equation, they're exactly the same because of this, right? The y-intercept, they both the same. If you graph it, I don't care what the slope is, they will cross each other as negative 10. So you will have a solution regardless. If the slopes are the same, it will be the same line. If the slopes are different, it must cross each other at this point. So here, A does not exist. So A is not 5. It's a trap people fall into. A does not exist. You guys get it? Okay. It's the same thing as the question on the SAT that I showed you earlier. So remember, when it comes to no solution, make sure you have to check both the slope and the y-intercept. The y-intercept must be different and the slope must be the same. A lot of people only check for the slope. That's why you think 5 is the correct answer. You guys understand or no? Yes or no? Yeah? Okay. So, Swati, it said, how do you know A minus 2 is 3? What is it called? Because I said, if A is 5, a lot of people gave me this answer. A lot of people gave me this answer. So I plug it in. So 5 minus 2 is 3. I'm just giving you why this is wrong. Because if you plug it in, this side will be 6x minus 10, which makes this equation infinitely many solutions. Okay. So Ethan asked, wait, there is no answer. The answer is, yeah, no answer. You cannot find an A for this question because the y-intercept is the same. So they will cross each other at least 1 point. Does it make sense? Yeah. Okay. So let's move on to the next type. Do you guys understand this or no? Yeah. So, well, Ethan, normally this is a multiple choice question, so they will have a choice that says none of the above. Okay, or they show you or this question right here. That means you have to check if the y-intercept is the same or not. Like in this case, a lot of people chose 5 for the one is like a lot of people chose B for this question. You only check the slope, but you never check the y-intercept. But the answer has to be G in this case. You get it, Ethan? Okay. So normally it's just multiple choice. If there's no answer, it will be a multiple choice. If it's a gradient question, it's always has an answer. Okay. Good. Okay. Now the next type that I know that a lot of people miss on the test is the box plots. Okay. You guys know what the box plot is? Box plot. Everyone knows what a box plot is?
No.
Well, what is it? Okay. So before I never seen it, but nowadays I see this a lot. Like the last 5 tests, I see this questions on the last 5 tests. Okay. So this is a box plot. Okay. So make sure you know how to create this box plot. Okay. Like that. Okay. So somebody tell me what this represent. Guys,
The starting value.
what does that mean? What the heck is a starting value? Anybody? What is this? What is this, guys? Least value, yes, the least. Starting. What is it, guys? Max. Very good. Okay. Wait, can you guys hear me? Because some people say you cannot. Okay, good. So what is this, guys? What is this point right here? What is that point?
Mean, median? I don't know.
What?
The mean?
No. This is the first quartile, yeah? And what is this? This is the third quartile, okay? And what is this?
Second quartile.
Median.
Yes, or you learned this in 6th grade, it's called median. Yes, first quartile is the median of the least and the second quartile. Third quartile is the median of between this and this, yeah? So so this is the basic stuff, okay? So remember that. And the interquartile range is the difference of the third quartile and the first quartile, right? Whereas the range is the max minus the min. Okay. Now I'm gonna have you guys try to create a box plot for me for this set of data. Okay. So I want you to create a box plot for me. Okay, so let's say age. Let's say if I collect your test score, right? So test scores. So test scores, test score, and then the number of people. Okay, number of people. Okay, so let's say if you what is it called? 25 points. I have 13 people. I have 27 points. I have 28 people, and then I have 28 points. I have 12 people, and then 30 points. I have 2 people, and then 35 points. I have what is it called? 78 people. Okay, so you are allowed to use a calculator. So use your calculator, or you can use a calculator on the computer. So I want you to create a box plot for me. If you can create a box plot out of this, you can never miss these kind of questions. Okay. So on the private chat, you can just give me what is Q1, what is Q2, what is Q3. Okay, just give me those three, because I think you guys know how to do the min and max. Okay, so. Ryan, what does it mean by the lag? Okay, so all I need you guys to do is figure out these things. Okay. Somebody's peeing. What the heck? I forgot how to do this. Nathan got it right. Very good. Okay. Let me see. I have no clue what to do. What's exactly what Steven say? This is sixth grade math, basically. Okay. I promise. Okay. I'll show you in a minute. Okay. What the heck is that? Hang on.
What about this? Quick question.
Yeah.
How are we supposed to show you our box plot? Or do we just write it down?
I said just show me the Q1, Q2, and Q3. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Check for this. Okay. Okay, hang on. Same. Josephine says same. That means you have no clue what to do. Okay, actually, I want to go over this real slow with you guys. Okay. So how do I do this? Oh, shoot, I hate this. This is too small. Okay. Let's move this somewhere else. Okay. I'm gonna erase all this. Okay. So I have more space. Okay. Eraser. Okay. I'm gonna erase this too because I need more space to do this. Okay, let's try to do the median first. Okay, so this is the number of people. I'm gonna show you people how to do it because I receive so many different answers from everyone. Like nobody has the same answer. Okay, first of all, let's find a median. Okay, the Q2 is median. This is how you find a median for any SAT question. Okay, first of all, guys, what is the total number here? Anybody? What is the total when you add them all?
133.
You sure?
I think so.
Does everybody has the same answer? 133? I don't have a calculator here. What is this, guys? Anyone else? Like, first of all, you need to add them. Let me see. 133.
When you add them all, it is 133.
Okay, 133. Now, in order to find the median, you must find out what position the median is. Let me give an example. If I list out 25, I will have to list out 13 times, right? So if I list out 25, I'll list out 13 times, okay? 13 times. And then if I list out 27, I list out what, 28 times, etc., right? So in order to find the median, you must find what position is it in. Like this is first position, second, third, fourth, all to the 15th. So this is the 14th position, 15th position, etc., right? Now, in order to find the median, to find the position, what do? You take the total because median is the middle number. So you take the total, you divide it by 2. You guys get it? Now, what is 133 divided by 2, guys? What is this?
66.5.
60 what?
6.5.
66.5. Yes. Now, we always round up. Always round up. Okay? So it will be position number 67. You guys understand? Now, let's figure out where it is. Okay? Now, from here is 13 positions. If you add from here to here, what is this? Going to be what? 41, right? Okay. And if you add from here to here, you haven't reached 67 position yet. So this one is 53. And then all the way from here to here is 55 positions. So we know the median has to be in here. Am I right? Yes. So the median Q2 has to be 35. Is there any question about this? Yes or no? Okay, good. So that's the median. So let me erase this, okay? So we know Q2. This is so hard. I wish I have a board. Okay. Now, how do we find Q1? Q1 is the same way as median, okay? Just slightly different, okay? This is Q1. So we know that Q2 is 35. Okay, now Q1 is the first quartile, which means it's a quarter of the data. So the median we divided by 2. So how do you find the position of Q1? We take 133, we divide it by 4. Am I right? So what is 133 divided by 4, guys? What is this? Anybody?
33.25.
33.25. And again, you always round up. So the position is at 34. Okay. 34 position. Okay. So how to figure that out? So 25, there's 13 positions. Yes. So we know that it's not there. From 13 to 28, so 25 to 27, if you add this, this is 41. So 25, it's occupied 13 positions, right? 13 position. And then 27, it's occupied 28 more positions. So this is 13. All of this is 41 positions, right? So we know for sure the 34 position has to be fall in here. So that means Q1 is 27. Somebody put 27.5, which is wrong, okay? It's 27. You guys get it? Okay, so we know that Q1
Okay.
is 37. Okay, so Q1 is 37. And then because if you list all this out, I mean, the number don't change. We know Q2 is 35. So Q3 is also 35. It cannot be anything else because after that, they're all 35. So these are the three things we need. So let's create I'm sorry, this is 27. Let's create a box plot for this. Okay, let me see. So the minimum is 25. The maximum is 35. And then this thing right here, the first quartile was 27. The median is 35. And the third quartile is 35. Oh, because the rest of the data, there's 78 of them is 35. So it's occupied everything. Okay. Now let me show you a real questions on the SAT test about box plots. So let me bring it up for you guys. Okay, hang on. So that was just a quick example. Okay. Okay, hang on. Wait, where's that at? Where's that gone? Bear with me for a moment. Okay, got it. So this is a real SAT test question. Okay, how do I share this with you guys? Okay, let me share this. Share screen. Okay. Where's it goes? Okay, this one. You see this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, can you read this? I cannot zoom it out. Okay. So can you try only question 28 and 29, please? This is on the test. I think it was, let me see, what was it on? It was on March 2018, okay? Oh yeah, I can write on this. How do I write on this? Oh yeah, I can write on this, good.
We do both, correct?
Yeah, I mean, 28 is, takes you like 2 seconds, yeah? Should take you about 2 seconds. Oh shoot.
Huh? Đang dùng máy tính nè. Tại đang học toán.
I mean, 28 is the easiest thing, so. Yeah, nobody missed number 28 yet. Apart from that guy, Niels, and he changed his answer. Okay, let me see. 28. 28 is that. Ooh. Ooh, admin. Okay, so nobody missed 28 so far apart from Josephine. No one missed 28. Ooh, Stephen joining Josephine both. You guys should talk to each other. They both chose A for number 28. Oh, Dan and Aiden chose B for number 28. That is sad. Stephen, can you talk to Josephine and Aiden? Because you all get it wrong. How? This is smart. Okay, so let's go over this real fast. Okay, so this is going to be hard because I have to write on this thing. So what is the median for Tia, guys? What's the median for Tia? What is this going to be? It's 35, right? Right there, okay? You see it? 35 with the middle number. Now, for Amir, there's 85 employees. So we want to find a median. What we do is we take 85, okay? We divide it by 2. So the answer is 42.5. You guys agree? Yes? Is that right? Wait, is that right? 85 divided by 2 is 42.5. Is that right? Yes or no? Okay, good. So the position is 43. I said you always round up. Am I right? So 15, there's 10 of them. Then 15 and 20, there's 20 of them. And then from here to here is 31. Okay. So we know that the median is not here. And then all the way to here, that will be 31. And then this one is 58. So we know that 43 is in here. Okay. So the median here will be 35 minus 30. The answer is C. You guys agree? Okay. So
Wait, can you do that again? I have like somewhat no idea what you're doing.
wait, who's this?
It's Steven.
Okay, you have no idea what I just did. Which
Yeah,
one? The median?
all of 28. I have like no idea what you just did.
Okay, do you understand why Tia's median is 35?
Yes.
So, yeah, because it's right here, yeah? Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, Amir, she collected 85 numbers, right? Yes?
Uh-huh.
So, there's 85 to find the median. You take 85, you divide by 2. You agree?
Yes.
Now, that's 42.5. And to find the median, you always round up. So, it's number 43rd position. Yes?
I have a
Okay.
question.
Yeah, go ahead.
How do you find Q3?
Now I'm gonna get there in minutes because I need people to understand how to find median first. Okay, Q3 is the same way. So 43rd position, right? Now, Stephen, let me ask you this: 15 minutes. How many people that occupy this? If I list them out 15, how many times do I list them out?
10 times.
10 times, right? So there's 10 times.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then
Okay.
20, I list them out 10 times, right?
Okay.
That's how many positions already.
Okay. And you're looking for the 43rd position, right?
Exactly. So this is 20 positions, right?
Oh,
If I list out 25, that will be 11 times, right? Yes?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that's 31 positions. We need to get to 43, right? So if I list
Yes.
out 30, I will list out 27 more. So all of that to that will be 58 position, right? So from here to here will be 33 positions. And all the way to 30 right here, because there's 27 of them. So The 43rd position has to be between 33 and 58, right? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So the median has to be in this cluster right here. You get it?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's why the median will be at 30. Okay, right there. It will be in this cluster. You get it? So
Yeah.
Tia is 35 minus this guy Amir is 30. So the answer is 5 for number. I'm sorry, C, not B. Yeah, for number. B.
Okay.
You get it?
So you just subtracting the medians of Thea's and Amir's to get the final answer for Amir.
Then that's what they say.
Oh.
Yeah, T is the median of tier and A is the median of commute. So you have to find them and subtract them. That's exactly what they say.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, so we know that the median for Amir is that, right? Okay. Now, people ask me how to find Q3 and Q1. Okay. Let's do Q1 first. We all know that Q2 is 30. So we know that Q2 is 30. You guys agree? Yeah, it's 30. That means we can eliminate none of them, yes? What the heck? Okay. Oh, we can actually eliminate A. You know why? Because the minimum for this is what? 15, yeah? So A is wrong. And the maximum is 45. So it's between B, C, or D. That gives you 33% chance. Okay. Now let's actually get serious and find Q1 first. Let's find Q3, okay? Because people ask me Q3. Q3 means how many or what fraction? Q3 means 3/4, right? Because it's third quartile. Am I right? Steven, you get it? Ethan, you get it? So Q3,
Yes.
3/4 of the total is 85. The total is 85. So you find 3/4 of 85. What is 3/4 of 85? Anyone?
63.75.
63.75. And I said you always round up. Am I right? So it will be position number 64. You get it? Yeah? So let's figure it out.
Yeah.
So we have all the way from here 10 plus 10 plus 11 is 33, plus this is 58, right? And then if you add all the way to here, that would be 70, right? Yes. So add all these. So up to here is 58. Up to here it's 70. So the Q3 has to fall into this cluster. You get it? Yes or no?
Yes.
So that means Q3 is 35. Okay. So which one is that? Oh shoot. So D is wrong. Okay. So it's
B.
between B and C, right? Well,
B.
let's see what's Q1. Okay. I'll make sure that everybody understands what I'm doing. I know a lot of people already got it right. So Q1, it's a quarter. So a quarter of 85. What is a quarter of 85? Is that 21.25, which is
Yes.
round up 22, right? So position 22. Where's it at? So from here to here is 20. From here to here is 31. So we know that Q1 has to be right here. So Q1 is 25. So C is wrong. A, B is correct. And that's how you deal with box plot. This is the question on March 2018. And I see this box plot appears in the last 5 tests. So make sure you actually understand how to find all Q1, Q2, and Q3. Is everybody understanding this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then the last question. So I said the section is from 10 to 12. This is my first time doing an online class like this. So I need you guys to send me some feedback of the sections and then tell me what kind of things you want me to focus in the future. So next week, we will repeat this. You don't have to join class if you don't want to, you don't like it, you don't have to. If you have any other questions, let me know, email me. The most important thing is I need you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm gonna post a lot of videos on there for you, okay? Yeah?
Yes.
So I will have, it's very sad, I will have 32 subscribers, so which is terrible. I need you guys to subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna add a lot of videos, but I will take them down very soon. Okay, so who's R.I. Debakey? Wait, Josephine, what school do you attend?
I go to Debakey.
Oh, you go to Debakey too?
Yup.
Wow, that's just sad. You know why? Another question wrong. Okay. This is my email, and my YouTube channel is vanhoustonacademy@gmail.com as well. So, but I already sent you. I already make 3 videos because each section will have 2 hours. It's not a lot. There's 10,000 different topics we have to what is it called? We have to go over. So I need you guys to actually watch more videos on the topics that you are not good at, like these kind of things. Okay. So how do you guys like this section today? You enjoying it?
That was good.
Why?
It was good. Yeah.
You sure? Okay.
Learned
It
a lot.
was all right.
Good.
Just drop me any feedback. It doesn't matter if it's bad or good feedback. I would not hold grudges against anybody. The worst case, I expose you next section. Yeah. So we were having lessons until what is it called? Until May something. Yeah, until they open up the school. So
Can you put your YouTube channel name in the chat?
yeah, YouTube channel. Didn't I send you guys an email about my videos?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, for real? YouTube channel. So you can just click on it, but it's vanhoustonacademy@gmail.com. That's the email that's associated with the YouTube channel. Yeah. Wait, hang on. I just sent private. Gonna leave yet. I mean, yeah, it's not like a 4th grade or anything. Do you know if we're having April SAT? No. You know that March test is canceled, May test is canceled. The only test you can take is either June or August. Okay. So so you guys cannot take the May or I mean March is over. April test, no. So the only test you might be able to take is June. We don't know June for sure because the number of corona cases are rising up really fast in America. So we don't know for sure, but right now that test is still scheduled. The worst case, you take it in August. Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna sign off. Somebody said she
Thank you.
fell asleep. So
Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you.
bye bye.
Come on. Arigatou gozaimasu.
I don't speak that language.